Hello Goody Co, my name is Denise and I am a Goody Co customer, and I'm excited to share with you the products that I have purchased and why I love them so much. So the first one is your Nourishing Trio cleansing set, which comes with these 3 amazing products. I absolutely love this product because it does a great job with cleansing my face without causing any breakouts, dryness, or stickiness. I really love this product. It does a great job with nourishing and cleansing my face. The second product is a goodie that I've actually tried getting my hands on twice, but it sold out very quickly. And that product is the Rich Lips. I was actually able to get this the 3rd time that I tried, and I absolutely love this product. It is my favorite. It does a wonderful job with keeping my lips soft, and I'm not having to use it a lot because it really does last a long time. So those are my products that I've purchased. I'm in love with them. I love them, and I look forward to purchasing more as a returning Goody Co customer. Bye.